Hello everyone and welcome to break 3175 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, August 28th, 2020. It's 10:14 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:14 p.m. Central Time, and 7:14 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Cirque Fanatic 1 spot, Prime Card 7, T-Bayer with 1, WD 2, Yad with 1, Jari 1, Audio 2, Rob with 9, All Day 1, Jordan 2, Wine 3, and CR Mag 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Cirque Fanatic on top, CR Mag on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 6, and lucky number 7 has Robco on top, All Day on the bottom. So let's see who has what team or teams. Robco with the Ducks, Weinberg Coyotes, Prime Cards Bruins, Robco Sabres, CR Mag Flames, Robco Hurricanes, Jordan with the Blackhawks, WD Avalanche, Yad with the Blue Jackets, Robco Stars, Wine Red Wings, Robco Oilers, Audio Panthers, Prime Cards Kings, Wild Canadians, Robco Predators, Weinberg Devils, Robco Islanders, Prime Cards Rangers, Robco with the Senators, Jordan Flyers, T-Bayer Penguins, Robco Blues, WD Sharks, Jari Lightning, Audio Leafs, Prime Cards Canucks, Cirque Fanatic Golden Knights, Prime Cards Capitals, and last but not least, All Day with the Winnipeg Jets. Okay, I'll seal it up. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Seal. Let's see what we have here. Empty, and we have Michael McLeod 28 out of 99 rookie auto for the New Jersey Devils. Congrats to the Devils. Here's the back. Former 12th overall pick. All right, who has New Jersey? New Jersey Devils. Weinberg, 2171-5. Congrats. On break 3175 for the 2018-19 Upper Deck Clear Cut Hockey Auto Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. Then up next we have break 3180 in the 2019-20 Panini Obsidian Basketball Card Box. Thanks.